We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and her family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making some old-fashioned lemon tea cakes, y'all. Yes, and here are our ingredients. Here are our ingredients. We have some flour, sugar, butter, egg, baking powder, lemon for our lemon juice, lemon extract, and vanilla extract. And those are our ingredients. If I have left off an ingredients, I will definitely let you know. Okay, let's get to making our lemon tea cakes. Okay, in this large cup, I'm adding all our dry ingredients together. I'm adding our flour and our sugar. Now our baking powder and our salt. Now we're mixing all our dry ingredients together. Here we're combining all our wet ingredients. We have our butter, egg, and we're going to mix this together. Mix until it becomes smooth. You can use a hand mixer if you prefer. Okay, this is what we're looking for. Now we're adding in our lemon juice, vanilla extract, and our lemon extract. And we're going to continue to mix. I found out that the whisk mix much better. The more you mix it, the thicker it gets. So continue to mix until it becomes thicker. Now we are adding in our dry ingredients. We're adding a little bit at a time. The more you mix your ingredients together, the more it forms into a dough. So we are continuing adding in our flour mixture. As you can see how thick it's getting and the dough is forming. Continue mixing it, and this is what we're looking for. Here I'm showing you something that I do. I could have added the nutmeg in with my flour, but I prefer to add it last and just mix it in. So when you bite into these tea cakes, you can taste the nutmeg better. This is just something that I do. After kneading my dough a little bit, cover with foil or saran wrap and place in the refrigerator for 1 hour so our dough can chill, and then we're going to the last step. Here I'm placing a sheet of wax paper with the wax side facing down on my baking sheet, or you can use parchment paper. Here I'm softening up our dough just a little bit. Here I'm pinching off some of our dough and I'm forming them into balls, and it all depends on how big you want yours. You can make your tea cake small or you can make them large. And I remember back in the day, some of my kin folks, they used to just spread it out and then just let it bake and then just cut it afterwards. Now I'm talking about back in the day. Okay, do anybody remember that? And so what they would do, they was baking just like gingerbread, and then they would cut them up afterwards. Letting y'all know, if you don't want the lemon tea cakes, you can also just make them plain and just use vanilla. Those are the original ones. But it's all up to you. You can add extra vanilla extract to make the original ones. Now we're going to place our tea cakes in a preheated 350 degree oven for 6 to 9 minutes. It all depends on how you like yours. For a softer tea cake, leave them in at the minimum time. For a crispier tea cake, leave them in for like 10 minutes, okay? Make these tea cakes to your liking. Okay, we're going to be back with our final result to show y'all how our tea cakes turned out. Okay? Okay, y'all, our tea cakes are ready. And y'all, these are so delicious. And I hope y'all enjoy them. And we could smell the aroma from these tea cakes all throughout the house. Okay, y'all, here they are. Here's our lemon tea cakes. I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, as always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Stay safe and be blessed. Oh yes, y'all, I am so excited. We are celebrating our 6 years on YouTube, y'all. Yay! I want to thank everybody for all their love and support and just being here for us and watching our channel. Y'all, I love y'all. I love y'all. I love y'all. I love y'all. Letting y'all know you are always welcome to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Until next time.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
That's a hit!